like that Star Wars thing is mine that I won.
Okay,
Nice. So you want $5 for it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fish in a barrel.
What's up, flippers? I'm back from a day of garage sailing. I went to 3 garage sales that I purchased things from. The first 2 were okay, and the last one I got a lot of good stuff. It really made the day worth it. So I'd like to go over those things with you, and then if you stick to the end of the video, I have 6 things that sold. I'll go over kind of what I bought them for, what I sold them for. So that's basically it. Let's get into it. So at the first garage sale, we got the Star Wars Rebel Alliance pack. The person was asking $5, and it looks like it should sell for between $40 and $50. So it was a pretty good start to the day. The second garage sale wasn't really that interesting. I bought a box full of toys for $5, and these are really the only things worth selling. It looks like I should get about $10 for each toy. I'll just quickly put a sold listing for everything right now. At the last garage sale, I got tons of good stuff. It really made the day worth it. As you can see, it's kind of a Star Wars sort of day. But let's just get into it and see what we got. The first thing I'd like to go over is this bag that was $4. It was full of Star Wars figures. I didn't really know exactly what was inside, but it definitely looked like it was worth buying. Starting with the small stuff, this is just the stuff that was left over. I think the game's called A Tactics, and I think that I should at least be able to get $10 to $15 for all the pieces in here. We got a bunch of loose figures from the Jedi vs. Sith Battle Pack, starting with Asajj, which should sell for $20. Here we have Anakin Skywalker, and he should sell for $15. We have Yoda, and looks like he's going for $10. And finally, we have General Grievous, and it looks like I should get $10 for him as well. Also in that bag was Obi-Wan and some miscellaneous accessories. I couldn't really find Obi-Wan anywhere, but it looks like I should probably get at least $10 for the accessories, maybe even more. Sticking with Star Wars, we've got this 2004 Darth Vader voice-changing helmet. They were asking $4 for it, and it looks like it should sell between $40 and $50. We got this SpongeBob hat. It looked like it was in great condition. They were asking $4, which was a little much, but at the same time, I knew I'd probably get between, I don't know, $10 to $30 for it, so I got it. And finally, to finish it all off, we got these 3 vintage Kellogg's cereal bowls. They're from 2002. We got 2 Tony the Tiger bowls and 1, I believe it's Frog Sugar Smacks bowl. I bought all 3 for $1, and it looks like they sell for about $25 each. So it was a great way to end the day. Now I'd like to just quickly go over all the things that I'm sending out today that sold. So starting with this. This is a Bear Surprise plush. I honestly regret buying it, but it did sell. I bought it for $1, and I really just wanted to get rid of it, so it sold for $5. So we still made a profit, but not the greatest purchase. Second thing is from the SpongeBob lot, we sold the Plankton robot. I was asking $10, but I took an offer for $8 because the only sold listing I saw was $8. Next is from the Cars lot. This is the last thing from that lot. I was asking $20, and I took an offer for $17.50. And we have this comic book. I think it's from like 1954. Was it Romantic Secrets? It's pretty old, a little bit beat up. I bought it for 50 cents, and I was able to sell it for $17.50 plus shipping. All this stuff is plus shipping. Then I have this LL Bean shirt, this blue LL Bean shirt. I bought it for $2 and was able to sell it for $20 plus shipping. And lastly is this duffel bag. I believe it's Samsonite. I bought it for $8, and we were able to sell it for $35 plus shipping. So that's everything that sold. I'm pretty happy with it. So here's a final sales breakdown of the 6 items that sold. There was only a profit of $68.55. Some of the items were pretty small, and yeah, I mean, profit's profit. So that's it. So that's it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. I was really happy with today, especially that last garage sale was really worth it. If you have any comments or anything that I can improve on, please just let me know. And as always, I'll catch you guys on the flippity flop.